Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Crack D with Mradul. I hope everyone is doing well. And today we are going to discuss a very simple topic in Spark, which is with column rename. So we will first go through the theoretical part and then we will understand one example through coding. Okay. So let's start and understand what is with column rename. So with column rename is a method which is used to rename an existing column in a data frame. Okay. So its syntax is very simple, okay? You just need to pass df.withColumn rename, and inside that you need to pass existing name and the new name, okay? So let's first go to the Excel and understand what will we gonna do, okay? So let's say I have a very simple data, okay, which consists of these three columns: fname, lname, and marks. And my requirement is like I want to convert the column names of this file to this. For example, I want to convert f name to first name, l name to last name, and marks to total marks. Okay. So how can we achieve that? So this thing we can achieve through the with column rename function that we have in Spark. Okay. So let's go to Databricks and try to achieve the same. Okay. How can we do that? So as you can see already, I already have a data frame here. Okay, with the same schema that I was showing in the Excel. Okay. So let's see how can I rename first the f name to first name. Okay. So for this, let's create one new data frame. Okay, df rename. Okay. And what is the syntax? You just need to pass your df. Okay. And then you need to type with column rename. Okay. And then inside that, first pass your old column name. Old column name means whatever is your existing column name. For example, it is f name here. Okay. So I will just paste it here. And what I want to convert this to? I want to convert it to first name. So let's type it. Okay. So let's try to show this data frame and see if the name got renamed to first name or not. Okay. Yeah. So as you can see, the first f name got get renamed to first name. Okay. So let's do it for the L name and marks also. Okay. So what we can do, we can just copy paste this two times. Okay. So I will pass L name here. Okay. And I want to rename it to last name. Just type it here. And the marks I want to convert it to total marks. Okay. So let's try to execute it and see if if the column got renamed or not. Okay. So as you can clearly see, right, now we have all the new columns, right? All the columns got renamed to new column names, right? So that's how you can use this with column rename to rename the column names, right? So one thing I want to cover here. So here our data was very small, right? We were having just three columns, okay? But in real scenario, in the projects when you will work, right, you will not have all such a small data, right? You may have some 100 columns, 200 columns, right? So there you can't just go and type this with column rename 100 times, two times, right? Because that will not look good, or and that is also not allowed actually, right? So how can you do that part? So that thing I will explain in the next video. Okay. So and we will see the techniques that how can we rename 100 columns or 200 columns at once. Okay. So that thing I will explain in the next video. But I hope you understood this with column rename, right? What can you achieve with this? So I hope this was clear. And if you like the video, then please subscribe to my channel and like the video, comment it. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.